I was asked to describe my experience after visiting the Sandakan Landfill. To be perfectly honest with you, I don't know how to put my experience into words. The experience was expected and unexpected at the same time. You will have to pay a personal visit and see it with your own eyes to understand what I'm trying to say. But trust me on one thing, the experience will stick to you while you live your fast-paced life in the city. You will remember it when you eat with clean hands in fancy restaurants, and even when you apply that dash of perfume to make yourself smell good. While I was prepared for dirt and filth before I went over, one thing I was not prepared for was to see the genuine smiles and laughter on the faces of the landfill folks. Despite their despair and unbearable living conditions, they were resilient, they were happy, and they had fun. The landfill folks are very, very hardworking people. Both children as young as 7 or 8 years old, all the way to adults. They work non-stop under the hot sun over there just to earn a meager income to put their next meals on the table. Majority of the folks there are stateless. They never ask to be put in such conditions. While they are often shunned by the public and also ignored by the authorities, they still continue fighting for a better life. These folks, they earn not more than 10 ringgit for nearly 2 to 3 days of work per person. Yet, these people, they do understand the importance of education. So they spend money to send the few documented kids that they have to school. Even the non-documented ones study in a tiny landfill shack which resembles their school. The school fees there are 10 ringgit per month per child. While we were there, we distributed groceries to about 400 families. However, that was not enough. But unfortunately, that was all that we could afford because of the funds that we managed to raise. Very, very much like us, these folks, they do have dreams of a better life. So, while you sip your Starbucks coffee thinking of how difficult your life is, or while you sit in the comforts of your aircon car complaining about the traffic jam, just remember the twinkle of the eyes in these folks who own nothing but our trash in their names.